one. Oh, we have some good food here.
Masarap yung shrimp nila.
Maganda.
Sauce yan, oh. Di pa ata ito sa calamares, saka sa ano. Sulit yung price nila. Kahit mahal. Ang tanong, yung chicken ba nila ay yung kamusta yung gravy? Tingnan natin ang chicken.
Yung naiyak sila, oh shit, the chicken is dry. Ito ang mabangoy nyo.
Masarap yung coating nila. Hindi nakaka-umay.
It's not cheap, it's not cheap quality quality.
Saka kasi yung iba, sobrang dami ng bread. Hindi mo na malalasahan yung ano. Itong sarap.
Basta ba ito dami sa, it feels like the fruits like crushed, like being cooked.
So, ano yung worth the wait?
Ha?
Worth the wait.
Oh.
Parang feeling ko yung calamares, pang tapak ko na lang. Ay, pwede ba lang dun sa ano? Dun naman tayo sa room.
Yeah? Ano?
Hindi, ano naman ng alak.
Oo, doon.
Ano na lang natin? Punta na lang natin.
Dala ito yun.
Kabago ni chicken cut man.
Oo.
Ito kasi yung kinakatakot ko sa mga hindi ko kilalang restaurant kung hindi masarap yung pagkain.
Good yun.
Buti mo.
Talk about events is right there, so it has to be good.
Wala. Hindi ko lang ma-imagine na next year.
Bakit? Dati pa, that was a really good experience. Romantic?
Kasi kung pumayag ako sa mama doon, for sure, masarable yung buhay ko.
Ganyan. Hindi nga kumain eh. Ito naman nung I was leaving that my time. Nagdang ko na girl.
Na-realize ko din. Parang, mahal mo ko, bakit mo ako binigyan ko dito? Saka una pa lang sinabi mo, dito tayo, kasi parang mas close sa kanin. Tapos biglang uuwi mo ako sa inyo, sa probinsya.
Oo nga eh, sabi ko, pag nga palang wala, mas tama to, I've been such a nice boyfriend, ginagaling ko, deserve ko, ginagaling ako.
True, same ganyan na rin, yes.
Yung nang-away na, hindi ko sinabi sa kanya for 5 minutes, ikaw dito, nag-gotcha bigla, wala magawa sa buhay, nang-away.
Sa akin naman sinasadya din mag-reply agad. Kasi alam ko naman yung time niya nag-busy siya pag may work. Alam ko yung time na wala siyang ginagawa. Kasi panisa sabi niya sa akin, ay nanonood kasi ako ng Pero pag mga friends niya sa kanya, kahit may ginagawa siya, reply agad. So baka nga hindi friends yun eh.
Babae lang din.
Siguro feeling ko kaya mo magmukbang ano.
Wow.
Workout ka naman, after mo kumain.
Bakit? Gusto yun. Gusto ko yung papel.
Si Joe, si ano? Sino yung mataba?
Matt Stone.
Sino?
Matt Stone. Good competitor siya. Dito kayo ako pag-example. The Sharks ako yung challenger. Yung kaya ako busin. Eh bakit ka hindi ginagawa nun? Yung parang hindi ka lang mushroom on water spirit na ako. I like my dad, Nico. You know what? My dad to order so much food, hindi ubusin. Ngayon pa ako hanggang yung kain mo pa. Ako may halip tatay ko. Hey, good morning. Anniversary.
Pala sinabi ko ano yun yung egg.
So, tingnan, try mo. Love it.
Hindi, gusto ko kasi luto yung ano, yung yellow. Pag nakasani side up. Hey, tocino! No, fried rice with garlic.
I like garlic. I'm a garlic. Hey,
Garlic, onion, tomato.
Sinabi nila susunod sila sa utos ng LTFRB. Para sa may mga booking, maaari silang mag-request ng extension ng kanilang biyahe. Nagiging na lang hardway na sila sa lahat ng mga ibalagay sa buhay at inaakot ang responsibility
Hindi ka
sa
makakatapos.
kanilang nagsama ang mga kaakal at kaibigan sa buhay.
Very fun.
Sa
Good place like yung minute ka.
ang sinabi ng mga asawa.
Kaya hindi ako nagtapa kasi yung ibang tapa matigas, walang lasa.
Alden Milk kay Chick ko. Lucien Express, I love it.
Sa AliExpress, oo. Nakain kami doon. May ganun sa Gen pa ko eh. Sa may fast bite.
Meron na sa ano? Sa ano yun? Sa Perpetual dati, sa Perpetual.
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Di ba naman? Sa
Lagi ako
Perpetual.
sumakdo eh.
Ayun lang.
Mapunta ka. Oo. Ang sarap pagkain nila.
Hindi ako sawa. Patol. Nabigla ako pagkaan tayo, which include the kahapon. Kaya,
Feeling ko,
Humingi naman ng privacy ang lahat ng mga kasama ng mga
masarap talaga magluto yung chef nila.
yeah. So this is fresh. Hindi lagi. Hindi parang ano.
Lalo na yung kinain natin kahapon. Grabe. Nasarap ako.
Tapos tapos. Tapos tapos.
Sarap talaga. Medyo hindi lang ako masyadong naani sa grilled cuisine.
I like it with it. Kasi may ano yung mga fritters and all that.
Pero kaya naman sila.
Siguro mga Burman, after mo start this. Doon na mag-try mag-Jack's Stadium Transfer. Tingnan mo. Ngayon talaga ako dun. Pasang talaga ako dun. Hindi ako kaya ng matagal. Ibang gutom na ako. Patay ko.
Mama, matay ka naman.
Hindi. Umutin pa nag-joke.
Hindi, maano. Himatay. Ba, faint ba?
Bro?
Sobrang gutom. So, gagawin natin. Habang pinapanood kita, nakain din ako ng burger ko.
Bro? Ang madili kita ako. No.
Pinanood ko nga ng girl eh.
Ang dami. Yung cringe siya may pa siyang sayo. Yung mga tipos yung yun.
Gano'n ka din?
No. Much rice.
Hindi ako.
Right.
Yeah.
Ay, ba kulang.
Hindi, sige. Hindi siya matamak.
It's not that sweet. Hindi yung parang heavy
Hindi
sugar.
yung maitaka agad.
Yeah. Just right. Juicy. So, you just like pull it out. Sige lang. Nakatanggal.
Hindi ang baka matama mo yung cellphone ko.
Hindi ang layo ko sa doon. Okay, yan. Okay, tingnan got it. Okay. Tapos, wait. Okay. Tapos, lang. Ano gawin to? Dalawang hook na gawin ko, dalawa ba? Okay. Let's see. Pili mo lang. Pili mo.
Kainin yung tinapaya nga.
Tibusig na ako. Okay. So, initiate I'm gonna throw, okay? I'm gonna throw talaga. I'm gonna throw.
Go, throw it.
Ang video games, I should know how to do this. Ito lang tayo na game.
Oo. Ayun, may fish. Ay, malapit sa'yo. Wala pa!
Kailangan tingnan. Ay! The bait can take it. Invade. Invade. Okay, I think this is 30 na.
Kung sino mahuhuli, uulamin mamayang gabi.
Nakahuli na po kayo?
Hindi ba?
Di ba?
Kaka-strike pa lang po.
Wala, ang hirap ko rin eh.
Pero pagka tinapay yung madaling makuha na lang.
Opo.
Madaling makuha.
Madaling makuha eh.
Hindi nga eh. Gagi, kinuha na naman. Nahuhulog yung sa pit naman eh. Tinapay. Ikaw nga lagi.
Ito, pwede dito
Alam mo,
mamimingwit. May
Sige,
namimingwit.
hindi mo. Hindi mo sa akin.
Oo, may namimingwit.
Dapat.
Yeah,
Namimingwit. Oh,
try mo. Ay. Yes! Yes! Nice one! Wait lang. Baka matakas siya. Wait. I can't.
Yeah!
Pull mo. Please, pull mo.
Oh!
Eh, putik.
nakawala.
Sakit tayo. Baka kasi.
Pag may nakakagat sa'yo, huling ka.
Okay. Wala pa. Alam. First time.
Paano yun?
Didn't work. Working in.
Uy! Gawan! Oh no! Sayang!
I think siya lang kasi mahaba eh. I think, sige,
Sige,
tulungan na.
ganito
Kung medyo
natin,
ikuha,
ganito.
turn bigla.
Hindi, gantayin mo yan o. Teka, ikot mo yung rope.
Pwede. Oo nga, no? Yeah. Pwede.
Para hindi masyado mahaba.
Take mo lang.
Wow! Go! Ikot mo yung ano mo, yung line mo. Ikot mo. Ikot.
Kaya.
Ikot.
Tawa lang.
Pero hinahanap ka ako.
Come on. Get it. Get the line.
Wala ka.
Yeah, got him. Gawan.
Nice one. Akalin.
Paano? Lagay ito.
Hawakan mo lang. Kasi parad yan, di ba?
Ow.
Kung nawawala o ikaw.
Kung matalsik ang butik lang.
Okay, my turn.
Tuwago.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Kaya wala
Give me
na
some.
kung ikaw.
Give me some. Come on.
First catch in the day. Yun. You got it.
Yes!
Oh! Siya nung excited eh.
Damn it.
Nakakuha mo na, sayang. Nakakuha mo na eh. Okay.
Tama yung pag-hook mo ng pagkain.
Pag-catch.
Sa hook mo. May natira pa ang bread.
Sayang pen. Kaya pen.
Kaya pa.
Ganyan.
Kuya, may liit.
Okay lang po. Namin lang nakuha ito. Nakuha ko.
Ito maliliit. Pag maliit, balik na lang, palitan.
Hindi, parang wala malaki.
Puro maliliit.
Parang wala makita malaki. Parang wala masyado.
Ay, hindi naman pwede maihaw na.
Oo, yun lang.
Lulusot yan sa parilya.
Okay.
Mga isang kilo sana kukunin namin, iihawin namin.
Oo nga, sabi nila 200 daw isang kilo.
Oo nga eh. Ay kung gano'n naman kalaki, paano?
Sa kabila, baka mas malaki. Baka malamit, kabila tayo, lipat tayo sa mga.
Pwede dun sa kabila?
Lipat tayo sa mga.
Sige, tara.
Ihaw yan?
Sabak.
Ano pwede? Prito. Gusto magtatanong siya pariyang, no? Dahil kinitulo sana kalaki, oh.
Ayun
Kaya
niya.
nga po eh.
Baka meron sa ilalim. Baka sa malalim
Baka
talaga.
ka-harvest na siguro ito.
Try mo, go, go, go.
Sige na. Ha?
Alay mo, man.
Nakahuli na.
Isa pa lang po. Maliit lang. Wala ba?
Maliit lang.
Wala kayo na nahuli ako pa eh.
Pero pag bulate yan,
Ayaw.
Yun, balate. Wala, ibigay lang, tinapay eh.
social naman yung mga isda nila rito. Tinapay. Mailap dito.
Wala palang wala dito eh.
Mailap dito.
Malaki kasi dito ano eh.
Saan ka mo tihok yung gagi?
Malalaki tilapia agad, hindi kaya bangus eh.
Hindi po,
Baka
ganyan lang
tanggalin to.
po.
Tsaka ito tanggalin to eh. Baka nagatin ako eh. Or parang
Maliliit lang.
hirap tanggalin to eh.
Ha?
Hindi ako magaling. Hindi ako magaling talaga. Hindi
Kaya pala si kuya.
ako sanay sa ganyan.
Ayun, nahawakan mo pala sa ano.
Tigas eh. Ganyan.
Yun, thank you po.
Kaya pa dito. Pag bulate ay dito para social
Ayun
yung
pala.
mga isda. Tinapay.
Walang isda doon.
Bulate eh.
Sir, gato po. Sir.
Lulukotin.
Yung
Social yung isda rito. Ayaw ng bulate. Gusto piste. Ay kung may palaman pa yan, gastos.
Peanut pala man.
Ayun ang malaki oh. Medyo malaki iba oh.
Medyo po.
Meron, may wala ko ito. Meron ako.
Ako agad.
Oo nga.
Mister, may...
How many you got?
Only one so far. Just small. Yeah. Not even a kilo. Mamaya marami sa palaki dyan. Naglalapita. May...
Mga ganun kalapan din ron.
Nabangos. Mas malaki ako.
Ayun, marachipuhan mo pang ihaw sana. Ay kasi may isda kami namin dala doon yung isdang bato na kulay, yung kaliskis yung kulay gray, yung kulay blue. Di ba isdang bato yun? Dalawa lang piraso eh, ngalapad. Ay kulang sa amin yun.
Mamaya po, magkakahuli kayo dyan.
Oh.
Di ba ko nung nag-akila na yun?
Yung sabi ko,
Pinakila yung kasama ko. Sabi niya, maliliit naman ito. Kahit dalawa lang sana, malapad, pang ihaw, okay na yun. Ito mga ganito kalapad, 3 piraso, 1 kilo na yun.
Lumapay ka dyan
No.
no?
Meron pong malaki dyan, mamaya. Mahuhuli.
Ito yung harvest niya rin.
Hindi po, para sa gas lang po yan.
Ano ba to? Ilong.
Hindi po. Pispan po yan. Pispan.
Fish pond.
Ay, ano sa kabila to? Ilong na.
Resort po din yan. Resort.
Ano surfing yan? Ibang may ari?
Kay... Ano yan?
Ah, kaya pala may bahay doon yun. Ah,
Kay
resort.
Napoles.
Ay, kasi nung may ari ito.
Kaso lang ay na... Ano na sir?
Wala na yan. Pero
Ano na si Napoles ngayon?
na-forest na yun.
Different?
Hindi.
Ay, ito may ari Pilipino rin. Taga rito.
Layo na.
Ano pwede doon? Hindi mo kilala dito rin sa mga
Ano? Hindi ko kayo pwedeng mag-sabi sa isang.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo,
I thought they were gonna give us the whole.
I know,
Yeah,
I was so excited when I see no you're gonna wait.
pero malawak tong hanggang doon. Ay, yung mga bus
Huwag nyo na po paglalapit-lapitin at magsasabit-sabit po kung yung ano, mga tanse.
Pero sidatingan ng mga bus.
They're playing with my confidence.
Look.
Ha?
Daming bus yun, mga 6 na bus yun.
Gabi sa ho yun?
Ano yun, mga sakit pa niya?
Nag-work daw po yun.
Ang dami naman nila. Mga
You
tao.
punch any?
Nope.
In the fall, like,
I'm just eating my bait.
every time she catches falls, it falls back.
Yeah, that happens over here too. Watch,
Yeah,
everybody's,
they're just eating my bait.
Yeah.
watch. Hey, put it.
Okay. Thanks. Oh yeah.
Nakuha kayang?
Adding fish food.
They're going to be confused with yours, and they're going to get
Yeah.
your book,
I mean,
right?
strategy.
Right.
Yeah. You know why? Because this one is just floating,
Yeah.
and this one is in the air. They are in the top. How are we going to catch a big one?
Yeah, thinking about that too.
Yeah.
I think the big ones are really deep. I don't think we're gonna catch the big ones. Yeah.
We got to put it. Maybe we can find a rock or something heavy to put it up.
The only thing they can rent them. There's nothing else they can rent them.
You know? You get tired already?
No, it's okay. Just the heat. Sweating. I'll manage. Anyway, you with family or just alone or?
No. My family is right there.
Okay.
But they bring their own rug. I don't bring my own.
You mean your own? Fine. That's all. Glad you fish before.
You, huh?
You fished before?
Oh yeah. We fish in the ocean though.
Ah.
With big boat.
No.
Well, no, with this kind of-
Sabi, yun, I think, you're not locking it too much in baseball. You're not putting it too much of your hand, but with your hand, you're gonna fall on you. Oh! You're gonna bite. There we go. I think you got it. Yeah.
Oh,
Serious.
this one. Get out of here. You know.
They're really
Here.
I got lucky kasi sobrang nipis eh. Tapos make sure pa it really merges with it para pagkagat na. Kala,
Kaso kasi baka ano,
no, you have to
mag-dissolve siya sa water.
no, better. Kasama talaga para when they bite it, kahabit talaga yung bibig nila sa rod.
Okay.
So try again, come muna.
Let's try. Come on, guys. Give me some.
Slowly we put him 2 weeks. Slowly.
So come around, wait for it.
See, they're already eating on mine, but they just eating just a little bit. See? You see?
You good? It's full. You got it?
No.
Okay, it's still there, Wait for it to bite really hard. Good. I'll let him go. He's gotta go. Still alive. I'll let him go again. Wait, don't change.
Yeah, sure.
I'll let him go. He's not that big anyway. Yeah. Still alive anyway, right? There you
This is the size of all of these.
go. Yep.
Yes.
Green man. Yep, he's alive. I gave him a chance to live.
And they give it a bucket to you too?
Yeah, I just asked for one earlier. Yeah. Because earlier when I caught one, wait, how am I gonna put this guy into the floor? Gross. So, up, I got one.
Yeah, see?
There we go. Let's go. Go, come on.
Bakit sa'yo
Told you I hooked mine really tight at the food. Yeah, this guy's too small too. Let's let him go. Yeah, we're sleeping, right?
Yeah.
Small guy. Yeah. I'll let him go.
Well, this is the size though.
Yeah, but
What is that about this size?
yeah, I thought it'd be bigger one you can catch.
I don't think so. We can catch a big one over here. Because the hook, in this side, this one can catch big one because the floating.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have a weight.
Right.
With that one, we can catch all the way down there, but over here cannot.
Are you
Yeah.
catching anything?
No,
The biggest it
just
can get.
this one.
Just this size.
It's because, look at it. That's what they can give it to us.
But there's no rules about catch and release, right?
No.
No?
No.
You can take anything?
Yeah, if you want. Not worth it though.
Yeah,
It's not
but,
worth it.
yeah, but if you have like your rag, you can catch all the way down there. It was the
Right.
big fish. Over here cannot. If you have a weight, you can go all the way deep. But over here we can just. This one is this much.
Yeah,
Can
there's
go
no
in.
weight.
No way.
Not going and
No,
not
no.
thinking.
But I attract them with the food.
I didn't. Oh, lahat maliit eh. Too small.
All of them.
May bayad, ano?
All of them are
Yung sa
small.
nahuli.
But we can eat that one anyway.
I can.
Want to keep this? I don't want it.
You can what?
You know what?
I don't know how to go. Yeah, you can't have a picture.
I fish.
Oh, nice, okay.
I bet
First time doing
I
this.
bet she's going to get a more here because
Yeah, you go ahead. Thank you.
Feeling ko busog na sila eh.
No, again, try mo put it here.
I want to try this like this.
You're just eating my bait.
You paid for your rod?
Huh?
Where'd you get your rod?
Like this.
Oh.
No, I pay if I catch a fish. The bigger you have it, more to pay. But
What's that?
Wait for it, wait for it. Don't pull yet, don't pull yet.
Ah.
Wait until
grab
you
some
feel that
pellets.
pulling.
Yeah, that one.
You got it. I think, pull.
No, wala pa.
How about now? Oh,
No,
no catch it
they're
for you?
not biting.
Are you guys from here too?
Yeah, we're both here. Yeah.
You live here or?
I live here, yeah.
Oh.
I'm just more, cause, my family is more into the English speaking stuff.
Oh, okay.
She's more local, so yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I am full Filipino.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, we come from US.
US?
Yeah.
Oh,
She come from Canada.
Canada?
Yeah.
Okay, what state you are? What state?
San Francisco.
San Francisco. Is that the West Coast, East Coast, or
Central.
that's Central? Okay.
Yeah.
You just traveling here, or you migrated here?
No. We just travel.
Travel.
I'm leaving in a couple days.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Have many things to do over there. We just come for a wedding.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, but you know, we have a patient in the ocean, but to catch these things, oh my God, all over there is illegal. Illegal. Except if we have a permission to have a net and can
Oh yeah,
catch
you
small
catch a lot of
ones.
things.
Yeah. But we fishing with the big, no, with this one is just to have fun with fun. We get the big ones.
Actually, do you want to
The-
try that?
The fishing pool is like this house.
Ah, okay.
Plus the one in the boat is aluminum. So just get it go. The weight is this much.
Okay. Yeah, catch the rivers mostly, or the sea, like
In the ocean.
The ocean, okay.
Yeah, yeah, but we go to the most of the time when we have fun, we just going to the lakes.
Yes. I want to fish, we try like catching salmon, or
Or this is in the river
Yeah.
or in the ocean.
Well, salmon in the river, right? Like you can really catch a salmon in the ocean. You think?
No.
No. Oh, okay.
No. The
No?
ocean is tons of sounds.
Ah.
And like I said, we catch it with the big rods. And it's the last time it's about 10,000 pounds of salmon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a lot, right? You can sell that a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we have a commercial license over there. Also, to get the crabs is another thing. Too dangerous for crabs.
Dangerous?
Too dangerous. But
Come on, bye.
no, let her go drag to go because you don't go together like that.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, just like you can get it, but it's going to go away. Even I just do like this. I just let the drag to pull it.
I think it's pulling. Is it pulling?
no.
Now just it's pulling. It's pulling.
No.
Don't move it.
No one does it.
See, like mine is pulling. Right? See.
Oh.
What they do, the fish do, they go like this. Get it and let it through it. Then they come in because when they get it, it's like a suffocated press.
Mm.
Let it go and come like two or three
okay.
times.
I'll leave
It's
it.
very good. It's try again. Let's focus on you first. I recap too. I'm good.
Yeah, sana all.
When we double the bait, I'll put another one in the hook.
Where? I only have one.
I'm gonna add 2 hooks though, okay?
You know, when we have a fish like this, bunch like that,
Yeah.
we just put a teeny weeny hooks. We don't put enough bait.
Ooh, yeah, I guess it's too big. Yeah.
And we just go like this back and forth and come like a 5-10 of them
Oh,
at
wow.
once.
Oh.
And we use it for bait. Are you guys ever been in America?
No, only traveled so far in one country, Japan.
Ooh.
She hasn't fixed her visa yet, so she can't leave yet. Her passport isn't finished yet. How about you? First you traveled a lot now, right?
Yes, I do. I used to be a tour guide
Tour guide, right? Where exactly?
in California.
Oh, California.
Was all over the United States, but most is California.
Nice.
You get one now. I don't know what's wrong with these hooks.
I think it's just luck. I think they're lucky.
Nah, it's not. It's not because
Maybe it's too big.
I guess randomly put mine. I don't even measure the food anymore.
No, I mean the hook. So, maybe it's too big.
I think it depends on the hook, yeah.
Yeah,
I'll try catching your rod. If I catch one, then
no.
I'll try. I can try. I got you. Let me try it one more time. I'm trying to minimize it. Let me try if this will be good. Go again.
get one.
I got one. Nice.
That's a big one too.
That's a big one.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah, a big one.
You
Oh
know
yeah,
why?
the big one's a big one. There you go.
Yeah, but you know why?
Why?
In the middle.
Ah,
We can. I want to find some heavy.
you should. We tried it earlier, but still, you can try. Maybe there's a big fish there.
Nah, it has to be.
I
Yes.
got one.
Yes, go ahead,
Yes,
take it.
come on.
No. There we go. Nice.
Yay.
You can try that one.
No.
Yeah, it's not that.
Not worth it.
It's the only one we're going to catch over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
go.
Yeah, big one. Want to breathe?
Yeah.
Can you hook it though? That's a question.
No.
I can try. It's not gonna bite. I'm a
No,
bit,
that's not bad.
so,
They don't
I
bite.
think my problem is just it's the gill. Like not gonna like damage me right, or scratch me.
Oh,
I gotta.
you got it like this,
Okay.
like this,
Okay.
and just go with the hook. She opened the mouth. In other words, she has the hook there. Just go like this,
Oh.
Okay.
and then let it go.
Appreciate it.
Mm.
Appreciate it.
Great.
Like that.
Good. We don't want to keep it. It's fine.
That's
Just
big.
for experience.
Yeah. Actually, done it.
You want done? You done?
Wanna go?
Yeah, I think we're done. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're dressing so anyway. Like it's a bit. I think we're done. Yeah, I think we're done.
Just
Okay.
they bring me
By the
along.
way,
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you, man. Nice to meet you, Max.
Back to meeting you.
Here.
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Are you?
Philip.
Philip.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Nice to
Matt.
meet you guys.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Enjoy your trip. All right.
Fun talking to you.
Thanks.